Hi guys, today is day one in Hollywood. I came for a short holiday for a break from work, and I'm here to explore Los Angeles, explore more of California, explore more of Beverly Hills, explore more of, I don't know, so many places that I'm mixing them up. My first time in Los Angeles, my first time in Beverly Hills. Very excited. I think you can already tell. I'm going to be sure to bring you along for the things I'm able to capture. So this is day one in Beverly Hills. I cannot believe it. I am going to Los Angeles. I always dreamt of having to visit LA, and I'm taking a break of routine. I'm going to have a trip of my life. I'm about to have a lot of fun. So guys, I still do not understand how the American people do it, because I haven't checked my bag. Of course, I weighed at home before I left, and I'm impressed by the swiftness. Like I just passed with my camera. Like I have a lot of things. This is my bag right there. It is very light for travel. They didn't even bother, like, because I checked in on 9. And I'm not even complaining. I like the fact that it is seamless, and I'm just happy, grateful that I don't have to go through a lot of back and forth. Also, it's nice to really pack well and check yourself before you move on, because if you come and it's late and like you're out on time, you can barely do anything. Hi guys, so I just want to show you around my Airbnb. This is where I'm staying. Okay, that's right. So we can enter and check it out. I had already checked in when I came in from the airport, and I loved that place. So spacious, so beautiful, so white. I love the white aesthetic. Yay! So it's fully furnished with very beautiful art paintings and affirmations like good vibes only. I honestly love the space. I love the vibe and everything. So this is the living room. That's another room over there, and here is the master bedroom that I'm using. Chipped nails, lol. And so when we come out here, this goes to the balcony. Open this up. Okay, this goes to the balcony, and look at the view, breathtaking. Like, wow. I don't know, maybe tomorrow I'll enter the pool and swim, but this is gorgeous. This is beautiful. And right there is my bedroom. Let's go back and check out another part of the room. So I'm definitely the one that, if anything is really messed up, it's me. It's on me. But like, I found this place very tidy. These are just my jackets, because I know the weather in California is perfect, but sometimes it gets cold, and if I'm moving out in the evening, in the night, I need something to cover myself. For the one day that I want to wear this outfit, it's going to be shiny. I've already checked the weather forecast to add a little Los Angeles vibes. I came with this jacket that is so LA, as you can see the word. And surprisingly, I didn't buy this from LA. I bought this from San Francisco because I was manifesting this trip. Okay. And so I got it. So I was very excited when I was coming to LA. I wore this as well for my airport fit. So I landed, dropped my bags, and now I'm moving about. I've started from Hollywood, so I'm at the Hollywood Drive, and right now I want to go and check out the Hollywood sign and just get some content, take more pictures. Let me try to turn the camera. Can you see that sign? I am driving over, but we are going to a place that way you can capture the entire view. The sun is blazing, yeah? Oh my God, yes, here we can look at the sign. Ooh. Okay. This is the top view of Universal Studios in Hollywood. And over the other side is the theme park. I don't know if I'm gonna enter though. So we just park down here, but your parking in USA will humble you, period. Here I was indeed picturing myself landing softly. Anyway, come with me, let's tour the Universal Studios. So this is one of the places in Hollywood that offers a well-rounded experience that appeals to a broad range of interests, making it an enjoyable destination for many people, including movie enthusiasts, theme park fans, if you come with a family, Harry Potter fans, action and adventure seekers, if you love entertainment, if you want a food shop, city walk explorers, lots of things. So one of the things you can do well here is embark on a studio tour, providing an exclusive look into movie and TV sets, including the iconic locations of film like Jurassic Park and War of the Worlds, enchanting world of Harry Potter with the attractions such as the Forbidden Journey, and you might just bump into some of the live performances featuring shows and your favorite characters, stunt shows, special effect demonstrations. you basically have lots of things to do. Actually, at Universal Studios, you're likely to spend the whole day, especially if you're with kids or maybe people who enjoy the fanatic and fancy things that are out there. I did spend some much time here. It can get exhausting, so of course you want to grab something to eat and a refreshment. There are plenty of restaurants in here from all the renowned brands. That's pretty much it. You can tap into the theme parks to explore and have a lot of things to see. I had to take some pictures at the major landmark of Universal Studios because this is one of the places you want to tell your kids and grandkids that I was here. Okay. Hi guys, so I am trying to wrap up the first day in Hollywood, which has been fantastic, has been amazing. I got someone to walk me around, drive me around, and I've had such a beautiful day. So today, to give you like a wrap up of what has transpired, mostly is first I went to, of course I checked into my Airbnb, and then we drove out. We went and checked out the Hollywood sign. Now the best place and the best spot to see the Hollywood sign is from, just allow me, the future is so bright, I gotta put on the shades. The best place to see the Hollywood sign is at the lake, Hollywood Lake Park. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but I'll just try to tag it up here in the video. You'll be able to see it. So it's like a very beautiful view from the Hollywood Lake Drive. You're able to drive up to the park and get to see the view of the Hollywood sign. And then from there I came and checked out Universal Studios, which has a lot of activity, lots of events and shops, and yeah, and that's where I had like a meal, something to eat. From here I'm going to go and check out Griffith Observatory. Then from there I'll probably go down and check out the Hollywood Walk of Fame, but apparently I feel like it's probably underwhelming, but I will check it out because I'm in Hollywood already. And then so many things to see. The itinerary is so long, but yeah, stick with me. And also, if you haven't, please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Maria Namaganda, and follow me on my Instagram at Queen Malia. It's been amazing for the first day, and I cannot wait for the next one tomorrow, where we are going to check out Beverly Hills. We are going to check out Beverly Hills, the public art, I don't know, those lights, everything I'm going to capture tomorrow, and I'll bring you along. So until tomorrow.